pranks are hilarious. Especially when your favorite bud is on the receiving end. Kevin seems pretty distracted, which means it's prank time! And this one's extra sweet. Watch and learn, friends. I bought you a special treat. But the catch? Open them up. Then… it's a giant candy waterfall! I can catch way more than that. Huh? That's no M&M! What's this doing in there? Yes! That went better than expected. Yes! My robot is totally in the lead! Now's the perfect moment! Ha! You nearly gave me a heart attack! I think I aged 10 years! Let's fire this bad boy up! And… pop! Jeez, Bella! That's really not funny! All that from a stupid paper bag. Yeah, flimsy bag, so scary, huh? Whatever. Time to give that girl a taste of her own medicine. Let's see here. These ought to get her adrenaline going. Now where to do it? She can't hear me, right? This chair's the perfect spot. She won't even see it here. But she'll sure hear them. This mat can disguise them. It's the perfect shade of yellow. And the scene is set, people. She can't see this. Act natural. Hey, Bella. Yep, that looks about right. What's going on here? Did you do this? You were asking for it, Bella. I'll get him back. I've gotta say, blue is totally your color. So cute, right? Yeah, blue. So original. Oh, hey there. Yes? I want to trim, but not too much off the top. Not the top. Uh-huh. Let's start clipping, shall we? Whoa! Have respect for the scissors, dude! This lighting's pretty stellar in here. You're gonna have to hold still, okay? Hey, Sophia! I'm gonna kill this guy! Todd left out his hair dye. No one's told this guy not to tick off your hairdresser. Conditioner? In your dreams, bro. Yep, gonna use the whole bottle. Looking better already. Best conditioning treatment ever! Water temp okay, sir? It's doing wonders for your hair. Alrighty. Isn't it just beautiful? How'd you get it to do that? None of my friends have hair like this. Thanks, lady. Wait, you're not supposed to love it. So much for that. Oh, I love it. I sure hope my history book's in here. Oh, hello, brown eyes. Is Kevin smiling at me? I can't believe it. Me? He's so in love with me! And he's coming over here. Nope. Just waving at Riley. I'm such an idiot! He'll never notice me. Unless I do something to get his attention. And I have just the thing. Let's see. Fart noises are always pretty effective. Hello, old friend. Hilarious already! Let's get this party started. There's the happy couple. Things are about to take a noisy turn. Oh yeah! Wait, tell me what happened. Jeez, Riley. That wasn't me. You sure about that? Let's try it again. Oh man! Did you just let it rip? No? That was good! But check out this juicy bad boy! That sounded so real! Wait a minute. That was the real deal! I have to go now. Riley, wait! It doesn't smell that bad. Hey, Mom! Healthy snack? I think I'll pass. Teenagers. Now this is more like it. Got all my food groups right here. What's she cutting now? Ugh, disgusting. I definitely made the right choice. That boy's practically made of sugar. It's like I cut these veggies for nothing. Maybe he'll come around. That was delicious. He shoots! He scores! Treat cabinet again, huh? Ooh, we got pizza chips? Come to Papa. Still hungry? Oh, you scared me, Mom! The veggie plate? Nope. Gonna eat this, okay? No, no. Veggies it is. Kevin! Ugh, fine. So defiant. If I want him to eat healthy, I'll have to trick him into it. I'll need these. What's this doing in here? Set the cups down. And pour water into each of them. And into the treat cabinet they go. But we're not done yet. To each cup, attach a hanging piece of string. Then tape the ends to the cabinet door. That ought to teach him a lesson. He's about to come for more. I need a refill already. Perfect hit! What on earth just happened? Oh, Kevin! Oh, I know what that means. It's broccoli feast time. Don't forget the peas, dear! Share this video with your friends. Just don't be surprised when they try these tricks on you. Have you watched these yet? Subscribe to our YouTube channel so you're always in the know.